I give you my heart.
Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am so excited to share to you the unboxing of my Starbucks 2021 planner. Today is what, December 11, and I got this planner 3 days ago, and I'm really glad that I had this earlier. Okay, so let's get started, and I want to share to you what's inside and what to expect on the Starbucks 2021 planner. Um, I just want to share to you guys that I started baking June of this year because of the pandemic. No, I want to do something, or I want to build a little business that is also my hobby, and it that also relaxes me at the same time. So I decided to start baking, and since then my schedule has been kind of hectic, or has been kind of busy. So this planner will be of big help. Okay, so we will open it here at the bottom. There you go. It is it is covered with this tissue paper. And then again, it is still covered with plastic. There you go. Wow, Starbucks is running 50 years. Okay, and then we'll open this one again to show you what's inside carefully. Okay, like I said, it is running 50 years. I guess this serves like that of a bookmark. Okay, let's take a peek of what's inside. Okay, stickers that you can put on any page that you want to stick it. Okay, the calendar, the usual calendar. Okay, very chic, and this would be of help to me, especially on organizing my schedule, on organizing the orders of my clients. And of course, let's not forget the freebies. Okay, andito pa rin siya, like any planner. Really smells good, guys. And this serves like a pocket. Okay, that's it. This is really nice, very chic. Even if it's like a moss green, but it's inside is a really nice planner. like all the planners that they have been giving all these years. Okay, very, very chic, very, very nice. And it's nice to have this earlier, and that I could already organize my stuffs starting January um, easier than I used to because of this planner. There you go. I hope you guys can also claim your Starbucks 2021 planner as early as now. So go and buy some more coffee, drink some more coffee or frap or tea, whatever it is that you like on their shop, and so that you can get these really, really nice planner as early as you can, as early as possible. And that's it. This is the 2021 Starbucks planner. I hope you guys had liked this video of the unboxing of my 2021 planner. I hope I had shown you what to expect inside this planner, inside this really cute box. I hope you like my video, and thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me today again, for being with me and for allowing me to share to you some of my stuffs, either shopping or our trips and everything else. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much again. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.